All right, so I'm going to give you one more example of how to write a formula for a compound that contains a polyatomic ion. We're going to do ammonium sulfide. And to do ammonium sulfide, we have to remember that ammonium is a polyatomic ion. I'm going to go up here to the list. I hope I'm going to go up to the list. And here we go. We've got ammonium right here. Ammonium is an NH4 with a 1 plus charge. You have to learn those polyatomic ions and write them down so that you recognize those names. Otherwise, you can't do these problems. We also have sulfide. And so if we were to look in our periodic table, we will find that sulfur or sulfide is right here. That's got a -2 charge because it's in group 16. So you need to know that. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our cursor right here and we're going to go ahead and draw. So we're going to go to Insert, we're going to go to Drawing, we're going to go to New. And once we've done that, we are going to go to Scribble. We are going to draw ammonium sulfide. All right, so let's start out by drawing the sulfur. All right, so there's a sulfur, and we know that a sulfur has a -2 charge. So there we go, -2 charge. All right, now we're going to have to equal out that -2 charge with an ammonium. So making a nice big triangle for ammonium. And in that ammonium, we have nitrogen and we have 4 hydrogens. So there's a nitrogen, I'm drawing that way, and I know it has 4 hydrogens. I'm going to make these triangles, these small triangles, mean hydrogens. And so here we go, 4 hydrogens, got to show that they're all stuck in there. All right, and that ammonium is a +1 charge. So there's a +1 charge now. These do not balance out yet. Okay, I've got 2 negatives and a +1. I need another ammonium over here. So I'm going over here, and I'm drawing another triangle for the ammonium. Whoops, that's strange. Hate it when it does that. Making another triangle. And inside that triangle, I need to draw the nitrogen, and I need to have 4 hydrogens. All right, so I'm drawing out those 4 hydrogens. Doesn't have to be beautiful, just has to show what we know. And then inside there, I'm also going to draw 2 positive charges. All right, so looking at this, I have 2 ammoniums reacted with 1 sulfide. All right, and the charges overall balance out. We have a neutral compound. So I should be able to save and close. There's my compound in the box. And now, how do I write that formula? Well, I need to write that it has ammonium, NH4. All right, I'm going to have to write a small 4. So control comma, that makes it small. Control comma makes it big again. And then I'm going to have 2 ammoniums there. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to write in the sulfur first. All right, and control comma, make it should be big. All right, and so I'm going to put in the sulfur. All right, and now once I do that, I also need to put in a parentheses around the ammonium. And the reason I need to put a parentheses around ammonium is so that people know that there are actually 2 ammoniums. So I'm going to write a 2 here, and that 2 needs to be made small, okay? And so there I have it, okay? NH4 2S, all right? Now, that is ammonium sulfide. It's telling you that there are 2 ammoniums in that compound, 1, 2, and 1 sulfur in that compound. So ammonium sulfide.